Hello girls, today I am going to continue with your maths class and we are going to start with the chapter percentage and its application, that is chapter number 8 from your book. Okay, it is percentage and its application. Let us start with it. What does the term percentage mean? We will start with percent. If I talk about percent, it is made up of two terms, that is per cent. Per cent mean per 100. That means whenever I am talking about percentage or a percent, that means I am talking about per 100. If I am saying say 40%, what does that mean? 40 upon 100, that is 40 per 100. If I talk in common language, अगर हम 100 में से 40 वाला पार्ट पिक कर लें, that becomes the 40%. अगर हम 50 वाला पार्ट पिक कर लें, that is the 50%. Okay. So whenever I'm talking about percentage or percent, any of the quantity in percentage, that means we are talking it with respect to 100. All right. So let us come to the part that we are going to learn here, that is how to change. First thing we are going to study is how to change percentage into fraction or decimal and how to change fraction or decimal into percentage. Say I have 60%. I have to change it to fraction or decimal. How I am going to do this? 60% mean 60 upon 100. The 0 cancelled by 0, left out with 6 upon 10, that is 0.6. So this get converted into decimal. Percentage got converted into decimal. Then I have to change it to say fraction. For fraction it is 60 upon 100, 6 upon 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 upon 5 is my fraction. Decimal is 0.6, fraction is 3 upon 5. The 6 upon 10 को हमने further cut कर दिया, that become 3 upon 5. This is how I have changed percentage into decimal or fraction. Other thing is changing decimal. Say I have given 0.64, you have to change it to percentage. So what I am going to do for changing it to percentage, we are going to multiply it by say 100%. Okay? जब भी हमें इसे percentage में change करना है, we are going to multiply it. So this will change to point हटाएंगे हम यहाँ से upon 100. 100 में से 100 cancel. The answer is 64%. You can write it directly also. Multiply it, it will come 64%. This we have changed decimal into percentage. Now I am giving say 3 upon 20. You have to change it to again percentage. I am going to multiply it by 100%. 3 5s are 15%. So the fraction got changed into percentage. Percentage को fraction और decimal में change कर सकते हैं. Decimals और fraction को हम percentage में change कर सकते हैं. For changing percentage into decimal or fraction, we are dividing it by 100. For changing decimal or fraction into percentage, I am going to multiply it by 100. Okay. So we are going to start with the first exercise, that is exercise 8A. Using these all concepts, the very first question of exercise 8A is write down the percentage into decimal or fraction. हमने अभी सीखा decimal percentage को decimal और fraction में change करना है. We have to write it in decimal and fraction. I am doing the third part, that is 12 whole 1 upon 2%. We have to change it into decimal and fraction. दोनों में change करना है. So first of all 12 2s are 24, 25 upon 2%. हमने इसको mixed with the percentage, we have changed it into normal fractional percentage. To values are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2. Now for changing it into decimal or fraction, what are we going to do? We are going to divide it by 100. नीचे हमारे पास 100 आ गया. 25 ones are 25 fours. This become 1 upon 8. This is the fraction. Okay, 1 upon 8 is the fraction. Now we also have to change it to decimal. So we are going to divide it. On dividing 1 by 100, I get 0.1 to approx. Approximately 0.12 आएगा. आप इसको रफ में डिवाइड कर सकते हो. Decimal 0. So this will be okay. You can have 540. So your answer will be 0. On dividing you can get 0.25. जब आप इसे डिवाइड करोगे 0.125 you will get the answer. Okay. So you can divide it and change it to decimal and you can get the fraction also. So the answers are 0.125 and the fraction part is 1 by 8. These are your answers. What happened? I simply divided by 100. Simplified it, we got the answer. Coming to second question, that is write the number as percentage. यहाँ पर हमने percentage को numbers में change किया था first में. Now we are going to write the numbers into percentage. Numbers को हम percentage में change करेंगे. Again I am doing the fourth part for you, that is 0.375. This has to be changed into percentage. For changing it into percentage, I am going to multiply it by 100%. Removing this, we will get 300. 2 are cancelled. This is converted into 37.5%. So we have changed the number into percentage by multiplying it by 100%. Simplifying it, we got the answer 37.5%. The very simple one. Coming to question number third, express the following percentage as ratios. We have to express the percentage as ratio. Question number third is percentage as ratios. So for converting percentage into ratio, I am doing the second part, that is 6 whole 2 upon 3%. We have to change it to ratio. What does that mean? Simply talking about ratio means we are going to change it to fraction. Okay? So this is 3 6 are 18 and 20 by 3. For changing percentage, I have to divide it by 100. Answer is 1 upon 15, that is 1:50. So this is your converting percentage into ratio. Simply dividing it by 100. Okay? So here the percentage is converted into ratio part. This was your question number 3. I'm explaining one part. It is very simple. You can do all other parts. 4 parts are there in each question. It is very simple. You can do all other parts very easily. Next is question number 4. That is changing the ratio into percentage. Question number 4 is changing ratio into percentage. We are going to change the ratio into percentage. I am doing third part for you. That is 21:25. We have to change it to percentage. Say it is written as, ratio is written as 21/25. For changing, this is now converted to fraction. और जब हम fraction को percentage में change करते हैं, what do we do? Multiply it by 100%. Simple. 25 ones are 4. Answer is 84%. राइट, 21/25 क्या बन गया, एक फ्रैक्शन ही बन गया. फ्रैक्शन को जब हम परसेंटेज में चेंज करते हैं, व्हाट डू वी डू, वी मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100%. सो दिस वी गॉट द आंसर 84%. नेक्स्ट थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, that is evaluate I'm doing second part for you. 75% of 440 kg. We are going to calculate. We have to evaluate this. Now coming to this thing, इसमें क्या है? We have a percentage of a number. Okay, certain percentage of a certain number. This is percentage of a number. How do we do this? How to calculate percentage of a number? Of means multiplication, right? So this is 75% is upon 100. Of means multiply into 440. 75% of 440 is 75 upon 100 into 440. 0 will be cancelled by 0. I'm going to solve this. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 22, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5s are 25. Multiply 15 by 22. Your answer is 330. It is kg, so you are going to write kg. 330 kg. जो भी unit होगी, we are going to find it that in that unit only. We have to find the answer in that unit, that is 330 kg. This is how we have changed percentage of 440. We have calculated, evaluated percentage of 440, 75% of 440 kgs. Of 75% means 75 upon 100. Of here we have taken into multiplication of 440. Calculated it, we got the answer 330 kg. Next is question number 6. Now this is an important one. It is expressing first quantity as percentage of order. Of second quantity. It is express first quantity as a percentage of second quantity. First of all, we will do second part only, that is, I will explain you what it is. 200 milliliters of 5 liters. What does this mean? First of all, express first quantity as percentage of second. If I am talking about this, what I am going to do, I am going to express this 220 milliliter into percentage of 5 liters. Percentage of 5 liters. देखो अभी तक क्या था, हम जो भी परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करते हैं वो 100 को बेस लेके करते हैं, राइट? वी टेक 100 इनटू कंसिडरेशन. अब यहाँ पर एक चीज़ और ऐड हो गई कि 220 मिलीलीटर्स की परसेंटेज निकालनी है. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज out of for 5 liters. Understand it this in this way. I told you you scored 40 marks out of 100 and your percentage get converted to 40%, right? अगर हमारे नॉर्मल एग्जाम्स होते हैं, परसेंटेज कैसे आती है? सबको काउंट करते हैं, है ना? सारे के सारे पेपर्स जितने भी होंगे, जैसे 5 पेपर्स हुए, सो व्हाट इज द टोटल? 500. whatever you have scored, say you have scored 410 marks, हमें उस 410 मार्क्स की परसेंटेज निकालनी है आउट ऑफ दैट 500, है ना, 500 के रिस्पेक्ट में हम परसेंटेज निकालते हैं. दिस इज द सेम थिंग, एक क्वांटिटी की परसेंटेज निकालनी है दूसरी क्वांटिटी के रिस्पेक्ट. like we calculate the percentage in exams. We have the total of 500. Out of 500, whatever score you have, say 410. For 410, you have to calculate the percentage out of 500. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं out of 500 में से. वैसे percentage क्या होती है 100 के रिस्पेक्ट में. यहाँ पर हमारा 100 को चेंज करके टोटल हो गया 500 के रिस्पेक्ट. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग कि फर्स्ट टर्म की परसेंटेज निकालो सेकेंड वाले के रिस्पेक्ट. ठीक है, सेकेंड क्वांटिटी के उसमें एक्सप्रेस करो कि व्हाट विल बी द परसेंटेज. नाउ द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग फॉर सच क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज दैट बोथ द यूनिट्स शुड बी सेम, देन ओनली यू कैन कैलकुलेट इट. ओके, whatever the units are here, see here it is milliliter, here it is liter. First of all, the units of both the terms, both the quantities should be same. That means if it is not same, that means we have to make it same. I'm going to change this liter into milliliter first. We know that 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 5 liters will be 5 into 1000, that is 5000 milliliters. Okay, so first of all what we have done, we have changed the quantity liters into milliliters so that both the quantities should have same unit. Now the question is, express first quantity as percentage of other, that is 200 milliliters of 5000 milliliters. हमें 200 मिलीलीटर्स को आउट ऑफ 5000 मिलीलीटर्स की परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करनी है. ओके, अब अच्छा हम अगर अपने नॉर्मली इफ यू नो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज इन योर एग्जाम्स, व्हाट डू यू डू, जितने मार्क्स आते हैं अपॉन टोटल मार्क्स इनटू 100. दिस ओनली वी फॉलो व्हाटएवर मार्क्स यू हैव स्कोर्ड. if you have scored 410, I am talking about it, so 410 upon 500 into 100, ये करते हैं, जितने मार्क्स आते हैं अपॉन टोटल मार्क्स इनटू 100. सेम थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो हियर. 200 मिलीलीटर ऑफ 5000 मिलीलीटर की परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करनी है. दैट मीन्स जो भी फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी हो, फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी इज 200 मिलीलीटर, वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट 200 upon whatever is the second quantity, that is 5000 into 100 will be your percentage, 100%. This will give you your percentage. 200 जो भी first quantity है 200 upon second quantity into 100. Zeros are cancelled here. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Answer is 4%. You got the answer 4%. So this is 200 milliliters or 5000 milliliter is 4%. ठीक है, ये हमारी परसेंटेज कैलकुलेशन है. 200 upon 5000 into 100%. Remember, फर्स्ट वाली ऊपर लिखनी है, सेकेंड वाली नीचे, into 100%. Okay, ratio you have to convert. We are converting it into ratio first. 200 upon 5000. The first quantity is written as a numerator and second quantity is written as the denominator. Into 100%, you got the percentage 4%. Understood this thing? Remember, you have to see this that the units of both the quantities are same. This is very very important, that units of both the quantities are same, then only you can calculate the percentage. Otherwise you cannot calculate it if units are different. Your answer will be incorrect. Next part we are going to do for this question is fourth part. This was the second part. Next one is fourth part, that is 2 upon 3 of 1 upon 2. इसमें कोई यूनिट नहीं है, so we are going to solve it directly. 2 upon 3 और डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा 1 upon 2 into 100%. This becomes 4 upon 3 into 100%, that is 400 upon 3. You have to change it to mixed fraction then. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Changing into mixed fraction, you will get this answer. 133 whole 1 upon 3% is your answer. First of all, the first quantity is written as a numerator upon the second quantity into 100%. This becomes 4 upon 3 into 100%, that is 400 upon 3%. Changing it to mixed fraction, 133 whole 1 upon 3%. This is how first quantity is changed into percentage with respect to the second quantity. This was your question number 6. All the questions I am doing here, you have to do it in your fair notebook. All the parts that I am doing here, you have to do it in your fair notebook. Next one is, we are going to do question number 7, first part. Question number 7 is, if 14% of a certain number is 63, find the number. 14% of certain number is 63. You have to find the number. किसी कोई सर्टेन नंबर है, उसका 14% कितना है 63, हमें वो नंबर फाइंड करना है. How we are going to do this? It is 14% of certain number. Certain number is there. उसका 14% क्या आ रहा है 63. We have to find that number. We are going to solve it. Let the number be x. What have we done? We have assumed that the number be x. 14% of certain number means 14% of that certain number is x. 14% of x is 63. That means this is equal to 63. 14% of x is equal to 63. This is 14 upon 100 into x is equal to 63. We are going to cross multiply this as we have to find the value of x. So हम क्या करेंगे, इसको cross multiply करेंगे. 63 into 100 upon 14. You have to solve this. You will get the value of x. इसको solve करोगे, you have the value of x. That is your certain number you have to calculate. What have we done? We have assumed the number be x. 14% of x is equal to 63. That is 14 upon 100 into x is 63. So your x is 63 into 100 upon 14. ये cross multiply होते हैं यहाँ पर. Okay. So this becomes 63 into 100 upon 14. You are going to solve this. You will get the answer of the number. That is the number is whatever you are going to get the answer here. Fine. This is how we are going to solve such kind of questions. You are going to try the second part by yourself. The question is exactly same, only the values are changed. Do till here. Next, further we are going to continue in the next video. Okay.